on a large commercial roof. I've had to use a boom lift to get up onto this section of roof. They want to have this section of roof clean. This is a lot of grease and oil. Basically, you can see all of that coming out of this flue. It's pretty disgusting. So we're going to clean up this section of roof for them right through here to this section, and they're going to be placing more equipment up here. So that's the reason they need it cleaned. Okay, let me show you what we can do. Obviously, whenever you're doing this kind of work, it's got to be hot water at pressure. So I'll show you the results. This is pretty heavy build-up of oil and grime, but I'm heating the water to about 70 to 80 degrees. Look at this. You can see all that fat just dripping off. Fantastic. Show you the results when we finish. So these are the results. Fantastic. All the dirt and grease is gone. Corrugated is no longer slippery. They can install whatever they need to install now. And this is the power of hot water. So there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video.